Kindergartencrate is what you need to write down. I'm gonna screw it up in this video, so you're gonna hear me say kindergartencrate a lot when this video starts, but just know it's called kindergartencrate. Kindergartencrate. All right, let's go. Welcome back to the studio. I know the last few episodes we've been out in the great outdoors, but today we're back in my studio and we have recorded an episode for my good friends from this wonderful company called... So everybody's got their favorite subscription-based companies, right? Like I use Netflix for movies and I use Hulu for TV. And you might use, I don't know, BarkBox for your dog, whatever. I don't work for any of those companies either. That was not like a paid promotional for any of those. I'm just giving you an example. My friends at kindergartencrate have come out with the same type of thing, but for teachers. For teachers. A subscription-based company for teachers, by a teacher. My good friend Paula started this company, and they send you these crates. Like these get shipped to your house. You don't have to go buy the supplies, you don't have to do anything. And the coolest part is, in these crates, there is always something, not just for your class and not just for your learning and for your students, but there's always something for you, the teacher. So as you can see, based on that opening and this stack of boxes here, I've gotten these a few times, but I've saved them. Like I haven't opened them because I wanted to share them on an episode. And I told Paula when she gave me my first one, I met her at a conference. I actually met her at Teach It in Orlando. Her and her family came and set up their booth and gave away a ton of cool stuff to teachers there. So I told her, yeah, send them to me, I'll review them, but I wanted to save it. I wanted to save it for an episode. So Paula, I'm sorry, I haven't opened these, but I hope this is a surprise, not just to me, but to the viewers, and a kind of an anticipation and excitement about what they get when they sign up for a kindergarten subscription, which we will talk about at the end. But first, let's do some unboxing. This one sounds fun. I don't remember what order I received these packages in, so they might not be seasonally appropriate right now, but we'll take a look and I'll kind of show you an example of what you're gonna get when you sign up for this subscription. So each box gets delivered to your door. That's the cool part. You're gonna deliver it to your door or to your classroom, whatever it is. But you get this box once a month, and again, we'll talk about the subscription at the end here. Once a month with some really cool stuff. So this is one that I got. Let's see what's inside. Woo! Maybe I should have opened this sooner. There's candy. It said candy. It's called caramel apple caramels. On a diet, but this, you gotta eat candy when you get it. So good caramel. I don't work for them, and I don't know if she does either, but a lovely brand, caramel apple caramels. Ooh, wow, very good. Yeah, those are getting eaten. Okay, here we go. Inside this box, I don't know what month this is for. I wish I would have. I don't see a date. So here's what's inside. That was for the teacher. Oh man, those are good. There is a little game. So this is a 26 two-piece alphabet ant puzzle. And these are games like pre-packed. I mean, it's still sealed. Alphabet ants puzzle. Wonder sticks, writes on almost everything, dust-free, washable, no odor, no caps, whiteboards, chalkboards, paper, glass, windows. What? I've never even heard of these before. Have you heard of those? Oh, look at those. We got some alphabet dice. I got a blow-up globe. Blow-up globe. There's also some apple pie stickers. A book? Are you kidding me? Like a brand new book for your classroom? This is so worth it. How to make an apple pie and see the world. And then there is a recording page. Now I call this a recording page because it's not a worksheet. This is a recording page based on something you've done or read in your classroom. Huge difference. Huge difference. Blank's famous pie. If I made a pie, I would add. So it's a response page to that book. Kindergarten, A is for apple. In your box, you're gonna find a book and an activity, the supplies you'll need to do such activities, and talk about the book. Teacher gift, apple caramels, so good, thank you. This month's contest is all about you. In the group, that group right here. In the group, share 3 things about yourself. They can be personal or professional. Let's all get to know each other as we embark on this new school year together. And then at the bottom, she puts a sneak peek of what's to come in the next box. How cool is that? That was just the first box. Let's look at another one. Oh, there's a t-shirt. So I didn't know this, but you had to put your size down when you ordered these things, and now I know why. So there's this t-shirt. I'm gonna put this t-shirt on. So this must have been a summer box, because it says, Summer Teacher Plans, Read, Take Naps, I can't read upside down. Decompress, reflect, travel, no lesson plans, no meetings, no grading, visit family and friends, get inspired, have fun. That is a really, really cool t-shirt. I love it. I'm gonna go straight to the directions so we can talk about everything that's in there. All right, kindergarten theme, end of the year. So this was an end of the year school one. Should have opened it then, but I didn't because I really wanted to see what these were all about, right? Like another new book. Another brand new book for my classroom that would have cost me money if I wouldn't have bought it, right? Okay, in this box you'll find lollipop. What? See, I'm gonna get super fat eating these, getting these boxes in the mail, but we gotta try them. They're organic, that's gotta mean something, right? That's a good lollipop. Lollipop sidewalk chalk for your students to enjoy as they near the end of the school year. A roll of paper and cute summer erasers. You still need to lesson plan this summer. Check out your new shirt for some fun ideas. Seriously. Awesome. Thank you so much. On to box number 3. Let's see what's inside. Another t-shirt? Let's put this one on. I absolutely love educational and inspirational t-shirts, and this one says the future of the world is in my classroom. Absolutely love it. In this box you're getting a sailboat activity. So it comes with Mayday Mouse, a puzzle, Papermate flare pens, who doesn't ever have enough of those. Some really cool things for an awesome science activity you can do that's a sailboat activity. So it's got water beads, modeling clay, boats, sail sticks, bamboos, little sticks, certificates for the kids when they're done, and then it's an activity to build sailboats in your classroom. So STEM, story, all that. Seriously, such cool stuff. I love it. All right, let's go on to the last box. Now, well, I shouldn't say my last box because I plan on continuing to get these, but the last one that I have, and we'll show you what's inside of it. Ooh, there's cool stuff. So this is called a summer stock up box. It's got things for you to restock your classroom for next year. So not an activity for students, not a book in here, but some really cool supply stuff, right? So it's got smelly markers. I love smelly markers. Glue sticks, got highlighter, sticky notes, magnetic labels for like a locker or something. Those aren't cheap, guys. Mini erasers, who doesn't love mini erasers? It's got a little bag. Goodbye school, hello pool. Yeah, we'll use this by our pool. That might be it. Oh, no. Desktop vertical pocket chart. Has 200 cards, includes an ABC pocket chart. Seriously, who can't use more pocket charts? All right, like awesome stuff. Let's get into the details. So I know the first question on everybody's mind is gonna be like, wow, that's a lot in that box. What does it cost? It must cost a fortune. Well, no, it doesn't. It does not cost a fortune. So here's what you're gonna get. 39 bucks a month. $39 a month. That's it. That's it. And I know that right off the top of your head, you're thinking 39 bucks, but think about what you got in there. You got t-shirts, you got books, you got candy, you got student activity, you got all the supplies for said activity, you got classroom supplies, markers and flare pens and things. 39 bucks a month plus $4.95 shipping and handling. That's a good deal. That's a really good deal delivered to your door. Saves you the trip to the store, saves you looking for all that stuff, saves you collecting all that stuff, saves you coming up with an activity, right? Like that's an activity pre-made for you. What a great idea for like a sub. Okay, or if you have it delivered, here's where I'm going. If you have it delivered to your classroom, how excited are your kids gonna see a box show up at your classroom door and just know that there's gonna be something fun inside there for them. $39 a month plus $4.95 shipping and handling. But there's more. You get a discount if you order at a 6-month rate or a 12-month rate. So if you order 6 month at once, you get a discount. If you order 12 month at once, you get a discount, all right? Every month you're gonna get the read aloud book, a student activity, classroom supplies, and something for you. The candy, the t-shirt, the bag, whatever that may be. You can choose pre-K, K, or first. Those are K boxes. I ordered the K boxes, but pre-K, K, or first. And then here's the cool part. If you order now until September 15th, so that today is August 24th, 2018. If you order before September 15th, you're gonna get the pumpkin shapes box, and at the bottom, that was a sneak peek that I showed you in the very first one with pumpkin activities in there. But you have to order by the 15th of September to do so. Okay, so that's what you're gonna do. You're gonna visit kindergartencrate.com. Looks like that. kindergartencrate.com, that's where you're gonna sign up. When you go there, it says get started or give as a gift. So if you wanna share this out with parents or whoever's watching this, if you have a teacher in mind that would love to get something like this, click on give a gift. It started, subscribe, it's all right there. It's all right there for you. You can go on there, sign up for the subscription, gift it to someone else if you're not a teacher watching this and you'd like to do so. But well worth your $39 a month. Thank you, Kindergarten Crate. Thank you so much for sending me all these amazing things. I mean, I have 2 brand new t-shirts, a new bag, tons of new supplies. I'm gonna make some stuff for all of you and show you kind of how it works. And maybe I'll give some to Trisha too, because she probably likes to use it in her classroom. I got brand new books to read to my own kids and to share with Trisha in her classroom as well. It's crazy. Thank you, Kindergarten Crate.